My name is Ruth Sauter, and I'm the band administrator for Beecher Bay First Nation. And I came to work here about a year ago. And when I got here, I discovered that there was a problem with a gap in emergency response data for this community. We didn't have proper mapping of our neighborhoods off of East Souk Road. And so I was told by the provincial emergency response teams that sometimes they didn't know exactly where they should be going when they come out on a call. We don't have mapping capability within the community, and we've entered into an MOU with TimberWest in the last half of 2018. In doing that, Ken Price and I sat down and looked at what are the opportunities for the two of us to work together. And TimberWest has the technical capability to do drone work. And so we're out here today, and what we're doing is we're mapping our neighborhoods off of East Souk Road. And we're going to create maps and build a database for all of our different homes so that we can get into the provincial emergency database.
I'm Steve Adams, the resource technologist here at TimberWest, and I am the drone pilot for the company. So I'm here to fly and help map out, provide an ortho mosaic photo of all the roads and houses and access into their property. We always do pre-planned mapping, make sure we're all set before we come out. So we have an idea what we're going to fly, and it's a beautiful day for it too.
Yeah, because what if we just do this? Profile everything. So now it knows that I want it to stay 70 meters above the ground at all times.
Yep.
So it's good. That's why it's doing that, right? There's the ground level changing.
It's a great opportunity for the First Nation to build capacity and to make ourselves a safer community, and we're very thankful that TimberWest would come here and do that with us.